chord spacing. Between 1 and 2 is A. Between 2 and 3 is B. Between 3 and 4 is C. Between 4 and 5 is D. Between 5 and 6 is E. A, B, C, D, and E. Alright, this is the way I'm going to start mine, which doesn't mean it's going to be the way you're going to start yours. But my accent chord, I'm going to pull them out through B and through D. Okay, I'm going to tuck it up. Alright, now that we have our accent chord, first thing we're going to do is grab our left chord. We're going to go under the core and out through C. Okay, we're going to grab our right chord. We're going to go under the core and go out through C also. That'll give us our loop. Now we're going to grab, this is the first knot, so remember it's going to be rather awkward. The rest, all right, we're going to go down C, go under the core, and out through the loop on the right. Okay, we're going to grab our left accent chord. We're going to go down through C and then out through the loop on the left. Okay, so the first part of our knot should look like that. Okay, we're going to grab our left accent chord. We're going to go down through A, under the core, and underneath the chords, both the accent chord and the weaving chord, and we're going to come out through B. Okay, so our knot should start looking like that. Now we're going to grab our right accent chord. We're going to go down through E, under the core, and out through D. Okay, so it should look like that. Let me give you a second. Okay, now we're going to start pulling. I'm going to pull the chords from these two loops over here, and that'll help tighten it up. Now remember, it's the first one, so we're going to have to push up and tighten up pretty good. And we'll push it up. Then we're going to pull either right or left accent chord, and it's going to tighten over the right chord. And now here you want to tighten it up and pull a little bit. Left chord, we're going to pull the left accent chord, let it tighten up, and then we start tightening up a little bit over here and pull the accent chord a little bit. Alright, so that's our first knot. Okay, let's start our second knot. We're going to grab our left chord, we're going to go under the core and out through C. Okay, we're going to grab our right chord, we're going to go under the core and out through C also. And the loops are always going to be left over right. Okay, now we're going to grab our left accent chord, we're going to go down through C, under, under these chords over here and out through the loop on the left. Okay, we're going to grab our right accent chord. We're going to go down through C, under the chords on the right, and out through the loop on the right. Okay, now we're going to grab our left accent chord. We're going to go down through A, under all the chords, and we're going to come out through B. We're going to grab our right accent chord. We're going to come down through E, under all the chords, moving up, and we're going to come out through D. Okay, so that's our second knot. Now we're going to start tightening. Let's push up, tighten the black. Now remember, I told you that you're going to pull through these loops. Okay, now let's tighten the black up. Okay, want it nice and tight. Pull the black. This is the way I've been doing it. I pull the black and make sure that it's fairly tight, and then I just push it up. And then I'll start pulling the slack from the other chords. So let's grab our right chord. We're going to pull. And we're going to tighten a little bit, grab the chords, and tighten up these ends. Okay, we're going to grab our left accent chord. We're going to pull. And we're going to tighten up over here. Alright, so that's our second knot. Let's go for the third one. Going to grab our left chord, under the core, and out through C. Okay, we're going to grab our right chord, under the core, out through C. And once again I repeat, left above right. There you go. Now we grab our left accent chord. We're going to go down through C and then out through the loop on the left. Okay, now we're going to grab our right accent chord. We're going to go down through C and out through the loop on the right. Okay, now we're going to grab our left accent chord. We're going to come down through A, under all the chords, and then out through B. Okay, we're going to grab our right accent chord. We're going to come down through E, under all the chords, and then we're going to come out through D. Okay, now we push up and start tightening. And once again, we're going to pull on the loops so it'll pull down and form the arrows. Pull on the black, pull on the arrows again. So push up a little bit, Okay, final pull. You could probably do this in 2 pulls, but I just want to make sure. Push up a little bit. Now we're going to pull our right accent chord. Okay, and then we tighten up over here. Now we're going to grab our left accent chord. We're going to pull. Then we're going to tighten up. Okay, that's our 3rd knot. Take it all the way down to the end of the bracelet, and I'll see you soon.